When it's blazing hot outside, we run to the nearest air conditioner. But have you ever wondered how it actually works? Today, we're demystifying one of the coolest inventions of modern times, literally. In this video, you'll learn the science behind your AC, including how it transfers heat, what refrigerants really do, and how the magic of thermodynamics keeps your room chill. Let's uncover the hidden cycle behind every cool breeze, the refrigeration cycle. Smash that like button if you've ever been saved by AC, and subscribe for more smart engineering breakdowns. Air conditioners don't make cold air the way fans blow air. Instead, they remove heat from your room and dump it outside. The real secret behind this process is something called the refrigeration cycle, which is a closed-loop system that transfers heat using a special working fluid, the refrigerant. It's like a heat pump. It moves energy, not creates it. Let's break the system down into four main parts. First, the compressor, the heart of the AC. It compresses the low-pressure refrigerant gas into a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Next, the condenser coil, which is located outside. This coil releases heat from the refrigerant into the outside air, cooling the gas into a liquid. Then there's the expansion valve, or sometimes a capillary tube. This tiny nozzle restricts the refrigerant flow, dropping its pressure dramatically. That liquid suddenly becomes cold. Finally, the evaporator coil, which is inside your room. The cold refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, turning back into a gas and cooling your space. Now let's walk through the entire cycle step by step. Low-pressure refrigerant enters the compressor as a gas. The compressor squeezes it into a high-pressure hot gas. That gas moves to the condenser where fans blow away its heat. It condenses into a liquid. Then the liquid flows through the expansion valve, rapidly losing pressure and temperature. It enters the evaporator inside your room, where it absorbs heat and evaporates into gas again. The cycle repeats. Imagine sweating. Your body uses evaporation to remove heat, and refrigerants do the same. Let's talk about the mysterious fluid doing all the heavy lifting. Refrigerant. Refrigerants are chemicals with special boiling points. They evaporate at very low temperatures, which lets them absorb heat easily. Some common types are R22, which is old and now phased out, R410A, the current standard, and R32, which is newer and more eco-friendly. Newer refrigerants are designed to reduce ozone damage and greenhouse impact, by the way. ACs don't just cool, they dehumidify too. By cooling warm, humid air, water condenses on the coils and drains out. Here's a quick tip: clean filters and proper gas levels keep your AC running efficiently and save electricity. And did you know? An AC doesn't produce cold, it moves heat. Inverter ACs adjust compressor speed to save energy. So the next time you feel that refreshing breeze from your AC, remember, a complex cycle of compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation is working silently behind the scenes. Here are the key takeaways. Refrigeration means heat removal. There are four key parts: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. And refrigerant acts like a heat sponge. If you found this cool, literally, leave a like, share it, and subscribe for more engineering explained. Drop a comment below. What part of your AC did you find the most fascinating?